Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through how to fix Minecraft connection timed out Getsockopt error easily. First, go to your taskbar, right-click on the date and time, and click on Adjust Date and Time. Make sure that both Set Time Zone Automatically and Set Time Automatically are enabled, and click on Sync. Then go to the top, click on Region, and select the correct region. Next, go to your search bar, type down Windows Defender, and click on Windows Defender Firewall. Wait for it to load, then click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and change settings. For Java and Minecraft services, set them to private and public. Close this window, type down CMD in your search bar, and run as administrator. Type down ipconfig /flushdns, hit Enter, then type down ipconfig /renew, hit Enter, and type down netsh /wins/reset, hit Enter. Also type down netsh int ip reset, hit Enter, and type down exit, hit Enter. Finally, restart your computer, and you will be good to go. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.